Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome back to the Justine Rodney channel, your sanctuary for healing, inspiration, and renewal. If you've ever felt frustrated because something hasn't happened yet, that job, that relationship, that dream, this message is for you. Because what feels like a delay is often life's most perfect orchestration. It's not no, it's not yet. And that's where divine timing steps in. There are times when we do all the right things. We show up, we prepare, we stay hopeful, and yet life seems to move in slow motion. It's not because we're off track, it's because life is synchronizing details we can't yet see. Divine timing is never rushed, but it's always on time. Every delay carries a hidden protection. Every detour brings wisdom. Every pause allows your roots to grow deeper before you next rise. Divine timing isn't about waiting, it's about trusting while you keep living. It's about taking inspired action, then releasing the need to control the outcome. Because when it's meant for you, it will arrive effortlessly. And when it does, you'll understand why it couldn't have happened a moment sooner. So if you're in the season of waiting, breathe. You're not falling behind, you're being divinely aligned. Trust the timing of your life. Every moment is unfolding exactly as it should, guided by grace, refined by wisdom, and aligned with your highest good. And remember, beautiful souls, if this message touched your heart, please like, share, and subscribe because here on the Justine Rodney channel, we trust the flow of divine timing.